maybe next month or early this year, late this year, there will be international flight from outside the country to here, Panglao Airport.
Because I never expect that Cebu is an international airport. When I land in the domestic flight from Boracay, Katikalan to Boracay, I mean the Cebu, I saw that Etihad Airlines and Emirates Airlines flights. So then only I come to know there is a international airport.
Yes. So
did you had a breakfast?
Yeah. You?
No, I didn't.
You want to take
We'll have some KFC or something. We can go.
We have Jollibee here or McDonald's.
Okay. You tell me your timing, because you know the exactly timing, duration, how traffic and all those things.
So we can stop here and you just take the. You can eat here inside the car.
Yeah,
no problem here. Where do you prefer to eat? You want to Jollibee or
McDonald?
McDonald's.
Yeah.
This one is more American.
Yeah.
So I'll just park here.
I'll go and come.
Just take out the and you can eat here.
Okay.
So you can manage your car.
Okay.
I'll just wait here.
Okay, no problem. I'm going to have my breakfast in the McDonald's. Can I have that number C sausage muffin? Yeah, one. Take out, huh? Coca-Cola. And I need
hash brown, the one with hash brown.
Yeah. Instead of Coca-Cola, I can have a coffee. Yeah.
Anything else?
Extra coffee also.
Just a small coffee.
Yeah, 2 coffees. So total 2 coffees. For takeout, huh?
Excuse me, sir, do you have any smaller meal?
500.
Ma'am, sorry. Katsu. Wala, ma'am. 10:30 pa po. Bacon, may bacon ako.
Ito may burger niya, may bacon ka. Burger may bacon.
Sisi Agdisal. Si Grace, ma'am.
Okay na, namis na. Sa tungkuan. Hindi. I-change na siya. Sunday.
Sila
At chocolate na chocolate.
wala masyadong lang sa pa. Balik niya yan. Kasi,
Luto.
Sila, ayan. Extra rice, please. Extra rice, kita yung cost sa 11. Extra rice daw. Wala tawo ni Kisi. Wala tawo.
That in Sri Lanka, in here, the local and the foreign, they don't have much expensive. I mean, the no price differences. The tickets, the entrance
tickets.
fee and all. Only few, maybe 100 peso, 200 peso is different than the foreigner to the local. But in my country, as an example, there's a one place to watch. That's the expensive place. It's called Sigiriya. I will show you in the photos later on. The local 400 rupees, just a 400 rupees.
400.
Foreigners 4,000 rupees. Just imagine. So we are big difference. And if you want to take care of your slippers, some of the places we need to remove the slippers and go for the temples. So to take care of the slippers, they are charging from the foreigners 1,000 rupees, which I don't like. I
What
was
about if the foreigners will bring their slippers? Not allowed?
not allowed to take it inside. They can remove and go somewhere, but unsafe. Somebody will take. So they are charging money double and triple than the foreigners. But in this country, I never found that one.
No.
It is good and very respect what they are doing. Only one thing in Lakavun, in the waterfall, Kwasan waterfall, the ticket is 45 peso for everyone. There's a one place, one restaurant lady owner. She make I love Lakavun one small banner with the letter. To take a photo on there, she's charging 50 peso. I asked from the guide, what is this? They have to charge for more money for the waterfall, and for taking a photo in the with that her notice board, the banner designing, 50 peso she is charging. So very funny. But unlimited photo can take. But I said still you need to increase the money of the waterfall charges to watch,
Yeah.
and not to the banner.
Another banner.
When I come to know she's the owner of that restaurant area, so she can do whatever she wants. this is she's designed that I love that waterfall name mentioned. So many people are taking the photo. The banner about the money they are going to charge for this taking a photo. Banner is this much small, so nobody can notice it that. So after taking the photo, she will come and you have to pay. Huh? I get shocked. Nothing to pay to get shocked. 50 paise or nothing.
It's very hard for you to notice.
Notice because it's too small. The notice board.
It's way of strategic also for hitting money.
Now we are going to Chocolate Hills.
No, Tashir.
Is what is that?
That's the we call that one before the smallest monkey, but after the research, they're not monkey. They're one of the smallest primates. Like us, we're humans, but we belong to prosimian. We belong to simian primates. But Tashir, it's ahead from human because during dinosaurs' time, they already exist 54 million years ago. So they are called and classified as prosimian primates.
Yeah, because according to the science, we are coming from the monkeys.
Yes. But this one here, it's a sanctuary. So there's someone will explain for you that in that area. Supposedly, before they would not explain. So that's our job to explain for the tourists. But now, since they have this on the orientation, so we'll give them works.
Yeah.
So someone will orient you inside. They're just like this small, and they're nocturnal. They have big eyes, and they're only active during night time. During this time, they're sleeping.
I saw first monkeys from Philippines in the waterfall, Kawasan waterfall. When I'm walking, I need to almost 30 minutes to walk to the waterfall from the main road. There are monkeys in the trees. But in Sri Lanka, every day are monkeys. Many.
So this is the
The place.